The Pagani Huayra Roadster stands as a masterpiece of automotive engineering, blending art and performance in an extraordinary open-top supercar. Named after the Andean wind god Huayra, this vehicle is designed to evoke the sensation of driving with the wind itself. Every inch of the Roadster is meticulously crafted, using advanced materials like carbon titanium fiber, which keeps the car both incredibly strong and remarkably light. The result is a chassis that weighs even less than the coupe version, enhancing agility and responsiveness. At the heart of the Huayra Roadster lies a handcrafted Mercedes-AMG V12 engine, delivering jaw-dropping power and a soundtrack that thrills the senses. With over 750 horsepower at your command, acceleration feels effortless, propelling you from 0 to 60 in just a matter of seconds. Yet the experience is more than just speed. The Roadster's active aerodynamics adapt in real time, ensuring stability and grip whether you're carving through mountain passes or cruising along scenic highways. Step inside and you're greeted by a cockpit that rivals the world's finest luxury watches. Polished aluminum switchgear, supple leather, and bespoke details create an ambience that is both inviting and awe-inspiring. Every component is hand-assembled, reflecting Pagani's dedication to artistry and exclusivity. Only a select few will ever own this car, making each Roadster a rare and highly coveted collector's item. Driving the Pagani Huayra Roadster is an experience like no other, a harmonious balance of raw power, cutting-edge technology, and Italian craftsmanship. It's not just a car, it's a celebration of speed, beauty, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. For those fortunate enough to take the wheel, every journey becomes a moment to remember.